If you are interested in these Canva templates that can go on your Shopify store, they will be linked below. It is skincare theme Canva templates, link in the description if you're interested. So I'm going to show you guys how to upload the banners and cover photos. You already know, click online store and customize. I already have the logo uploaded per usual. I'm going to go ahead and add the banners straight from my laptop. And then after I add the banners, I will go on to the cover photos. Now the banner that you see added was a different one I actually ended up keeping. You'll see me change that down the line, but I'm going to add more image banners. When you click add section, you can add like another image banner. So then I always hide the buttons and labels, and then I will again upload directly from my laptop. Now right here, I'm going to go ahead and add the collection so I can add the cover photos. As you see, you'll click products and collections. You want to name each of your collections, and then I'll click add image, upload the cover photo straight from my laptop. And you're going to see me do that a few times. And then I'm going to go back to Shopify, customize the theme so I can click each collection. And right now I'm going to go ahead and try to make the footer and the header cohesive, same color, that purple. So in order to get that color hex code, I'm going to go back to Canva. just so I can get the same purple color from the banners, just so it is the exact same color. So as you can see, this is how you do it. What I'll go ahead and do, hop back over to Canva, and then I will get that hex code. I'll have to click the banner, and then it'll give me that number with letters, or just both letters and numbers. I'll copy and paste and put that right here. I'll click edit, and then I'll paste the hex code, and that is how you customize your store. And I will do the same with the bottom, but since the color is already there, I'm just going to go ahead and click footer, and then I'm going to click color scheme number 4. And that is the end of the video. If you are interested in these Canva templates, they are linked in the description, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.